See, when I've been talking to the organizers and I was given the task of preparing the content architecture of INMA, I told them very clearly that it's not about newspaper industry, it's about business. So you have to be sector neutral because principles of business are same. So that was very first consideration, because after business, newspaper is a subset of it. Second important part I was looking at, in my case, the delegates were my guiding point. Why people should attend a conference? Is it another conference? So how do I make it distinctive? And the distinctiveness of the conference is that it creates fluid knowledge that one can import when they go back. So I have to ensure that each session, what they can learn. That led to subject, that what kind of theme I can take that will go for learning. I've always seen most of the conferences, people state the obvious. I was thinking that why not see that there are complexities, there are challenges, and being an incumbent player, I realized that if we talk about problems, it doesn't solve. You talk about how do I leverage that problem or challenge. So that led to me looking for various types of industries. So I scouted internet, I scouted some books and all that, academic journals. What happens when an industry goes through huge challenges, air pockets? In our case, there's an additional one. There are initial signs of problem that can be a huge effect, which I came to know that is called a butterfly effect. That led to complexity science, and then led to the practitioner of complexity science. Then I realized this is awesome theme, because I always believe theme has to be intriguing enough for people to come, rather than telling newspaper conference. It is about complexity advantage. Now that complexity is given, or a normal, why not leverage it? In fact, it's a proof. When I told them when you do good content, more people will come. This time is a record attendance. But if you ask me, I'm not extremely happy, but you have to market it also that way. See, if one can maintain this level of, say for if I go by the reaction, this level of content architecture, I think attendance will grow. Second problem is that maybe once a year, I have a feeling you have to sustain noise throughout there. Suppose this community need to talk about it so that you can have a user-generated content architecture next time. Third important point, there are regional peculiarities. It need not be only one. The East problem and the Western problem may be different. And finally, of course, is that we have to be also industry or sector neutral in our audience mix. Why it has to be only from newspaper industry? Why not from Google? Why not from a television industry? Because we can learn from each other. Why not from a client side? Because we discussed business. But I think that requires a little bit of cultural change, and most importantly, when people know what we are delivering, I'm sure this kind of diversity will happen in the attendance.